am an anomaly here in Europe because I have 3 kids really close in age, and as I'm pushing this stroller around, I get a lot of great looks. This is our last day in Italy, and we decided to do a day trip out to Lake Como.
Mackenzie's pushing this thing. All eyes are on her.
I get a lot of bravos and congratulations when they see me with all these kids.
Bravi, bravi. What, is that the best hot chocolate you've ever had?
It's literally melted chocolate.
After eating his weight in chocolate, this is what happens. We just got to Geneva in our new place. So Porter, what do you think? As we've been traveling, we've kind of gotten into this habit where I pick the Airbnbs and the flights and the rental cars and all that, and Mackenzie fills our agenda with the activities that we're doing in the area. Ren is really good at wearing hats. Not!
Look at that one who's holding that glass.
We're the only ones in this big, huge cathedral. And of course, Ren finds the only stairs in the place. You're almost out of range.
Look at this bench, you guys. Some argue that this is the world's longest bench.
Beckett just taught our Icelandic nanny the Pledge of Allegiance.
So you have to put it on your heart?
Yeah. I've got my hand on my heart, I'm ready.
I pledge allegiance to the flag in the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
So, Alexandra, if you were not traveling with 5 Take Flight, what would you be doing right now?
In the cold, freezing Iceland studying at university. Instead I'm in the sun in Geneva. Oh, not in Geneva, we're not in Geneva anymore. In Switzerland.
Hey Mom, look at these vegetables.
You okay?
No, but then why are they super? Guess what?
What? You skip
Didn't
a
even
beat.
skip a beat. Didn't even notice that he fell. Amazing weather for, where are we going? What is it called? Ivoire. All right, this is 5 Take Flight. We're gonna jump off this boat. 1. You think I'd jump off this boat? You think I would?
No, it's freezing in there.
Oh, it's freezing in there? Okay, I won't. Changed my mind. He convinced me. Not gonna jump.
tomatoes. There's also a sandwich, a hamburger, and there's also a chicken hamburger.
Ren thinks she's a baby walker, but she's really not. Look at this, look at this. You do not have the skill set. That's ridiculous. Hold my hand.
Move out of the way.
You move out of the way, sir.
Beckett, where are you going?
To those birds. What are these buzzy things you're spiky for?
Every once in a while, Beckett animates, and he goes full Beckett. And today is one of those days.
Ah, yum. Ooh, look at this purple one. I want to smell these ones. Ren's and Mom's. Mom, come here. Da, 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 da.
We're not in Switzerland anymore. It's Saturday. This is our first day in Israel.